Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi easily. First, select high-quality, sushi-grade fish and fresh vegetables for your fillings. Next, focus on preparing your sushi rice correctly. It's the foundation of great sushi. Cook the rice, then season it with a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, ensuring it cools to room temperature before use. Finally, we'll cover the simple technique of rolling your sushi with a bamboo mat for perfect results every time. Let's get started. Proper ingredient preparation is key to delicious and easy sushi. Begin by slicing your chosen fish, like salmon or tuna, and vegetables such as cucumber or avocado into long, thin strips. This ensures they fit well within the nori and rice, creating a balanced bite. Remember to have a small bowl of water handy to moisten your hands, which prevents the sticky sushi rice from clinging to them. A quick, light toasting of your nori sheets can also add a subtle depth of flavor. Now for the fun part, rolling your sushi. Lay a nori sheet shiny side down on your bamboo mat. With damp hands, spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving the top edge clear. Place your chosen fillings in a neat line across the center of the rice. Using the bamboo mat, lift the edge closest to you and roll it tightly over the fillings, pressing gently. Continue rolling, applying consistent pressure until you have a firm, cylindrical roll. Once your sushi rolls are complete, it's time to slice and serve. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with water, to cut each roll into 6 to 8 uniform pieces. This prevents the rice from sticking and ensures clean cuts. Arrange your beautiful sushi on a platter and serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of spicy wasabi, and refreshing pickled ginger. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.